Something strange is happening in the depths of the ocean, and for the first time in human history, it feels as if the sea itself is trying to escape. Across the world, creatures that should never leave the deep are suddenly rising to the surface, confused, injured, and dying. Apex predators are abandoning their territory. Ancient species are appearing where they've never been seen before. And the question scientists can't fully answer is terrifying. What could scare the rulers of the ocean? Recently, nearly 150 killer whales were found stranded along the beaches of Tasmania, Australia. Some were already dead. Others were alive but refused to return to the water, even when rescuers tried to push them back. Orcas normally dominate depths reaching over a kilometer. Nothing hunts them, so why were they afraid to go back? Only days later, over 700,000 sea turtles appeared across beaches in Odisha, India. The shocking part, this species usually lives thousands of kilometers away near Mexico. Somehow they crossed entire oceans, not to migrate but seemingly to escape. Then came reports from Kerala, where thousands of fish washed ashore gasping for oxygen. None attempted to swim back. It was as if the ocean itself had become unlivable. Soon after, a viral video emerged from a Mexican beach. A 6-meter-long silver creature with glowing skin lay motionless in the sand. It was an oarfish, a deep-sea species rarely seen alive near the surface. For centuries, sailors believed its appearance signaled disaster. This time, multiple oarfish began appearing across different countries almost simultaneously, and that had never happened before. The ocean covers 71% of Earth, yet humans have explored less than 5% of it. The deepest point, the Mariana Trench, descends nearly 11,000 meters into total darkness, where pressure could crush a human instantly. Still, life exists there, alien-like predators adapted to cold, silent worlds. Creatures like the anglerfish, known as the Black Sea Devil, normally live far below sunlight. Yet recently, one was spotted near the surface near the Canary Islands, completely out of place. Scientists believe 3 major forces may be driving this mass exodus. First, global warming. Heat is slowly penetrating deeper ocean layers, reducing oxygen levels and forcing deep-sea animals upward just to breathe. Second, plastic pollution. Millions of tons enter the ocean every year, poisoning marine life from within. Third, deep-sea mining. Human extraction is disturbing ecosystems that remained untouched for millions of years. But there's another possibility. Deep-sea animals can sense tectonic movements long before humans detect earthquakes or tsunamis. Historically, unusual marine behavior has preceded major natural disasters, which raises a chilling thought. Are these creatures fleeing something coming from below, or warning us about something coming next? Ancient texts describe a sea creature called Leviathan, a massive serpent said to dwell in the deepest waters, impossible for humans to control. Myth, according to science. Yet recent satellite images showing unexplained shapes beneath the ocean have reignited speculation online. Maybe Leviathan isn't a monster. Maybe it's a metaphor, a reminder that the ocean is a living system pushed beyond its limits. Because the most frightening possibility isn't that something has awakened in the deep, but that humanity forced it to. If the ocean is changing this rapidly, the consequences won't stay underwater for long. So the real question is no longer whether the legends were true. It's this: what is happening in the darkness below, that even the creatures of the abyss are trying to escape? And if this is a warning, are we already too late?